จีหัวจัดมองซาสลาแล้วเฮียนสหายมองไง
บ้องอันนักสมาร์ทท่าอ่อนไอเฮียนให้ปลอเฮินมาหลังไอ้เปิ้ลไอ้กลมกระแทกบ้องห่อใส่ท่าหนอนแน่เคยยังมาโดยเปียจานหลกโปลจังไงมันดูยังเมื่อแต่มกมอสบอกข้างแขวว่าเมื่อดังไงจุดอันยังมันย้มจ้องปนใต้ปลอเฮินหัวแต่บ้องปากกาห้ามกระไดไงใต้อ่อนไอเนื้อแต่เฮียนเฟื่องไงนี่มาอันผู้สมปลอกกะรอใส่ท่านกดหมอบ้องปอนนักคลาดได้สกอใส่ท่านกดหรือก็ดังตะกดเนื้อมาดมแน่ช่วยแซวิตโอนี่มันเนี่ยมวยบ้องจูนอังปลา$30จูนให้มันเนี่ยบ้านสกอใส่ท่านกดติดรถแต่ละอ้อนจูนเอาเฉินเลยนังตีเราเมนเนี่ยสกอลนอกบ้องตะโหแต่กดบ้านเคยเลือกยังมาดังตะรอกดตามแนวโดยขี้ถ้าตามยังบ้านปอระเมียนแมวกดให้ขัวแซงกดโดยจีเนโรซีมรูปได้แต่พอวิตาโอจุ๋ยแม่กดให้มาเตอร์จะกดกุดื้อหมอกดดื้อต่างแม่กดเตี้ยยังมาวิตาโอดูแซ่ไอ้เนี่ยดูประหารตะเฮียนแมนหมองอ่ะเอานี่มันนักสมันถ้ากดเนโรซีมรูปได้แต่กดเฮียนเฟิร์นจังคือกดเฮียนแมนเต้นแต่งในยอดบ้านสกอลกดจูลกดเอามือเรียลได้เมียพญิวเจี๊ยจ้างกดดาวหัวเต้นยูวีบีฟิลิกซ่องตัดแบนแซ่แต่ยังใจสตอดกรกดมันดังเต้นมาปีนี้แบนนี่นะบางพอนบอกพอวิตาโอตอบเอาเกมเมอร์ไอ้ประตูหลังปีใบอ่อยแค่ซ้อนไม่ร้อยแค่เชียงไงนะไงนี่ปีใบอ่อยแค่ไปอยู่ไว้ได้ยมขึ้นนั่นอย่าโอนคลังนั่นทองท่านแน่แต่เต้นคูซันเลยมาไพ่ใบแต่มีคูซันฟิลิกออสตันนะก็เต้นบีฟิลิกมาซะเพอแต่เคยหล่อพลัดทอรีวิวเกมเมอร์มากแต่สตาร์ทต่างกันนี่
แต่บอกថាទៅទិញ cushion Felix លេង20 យកមកទុកប្រើ sorry ផង cushion ប៉ុន្តែ product ថ្មីទៅតែចូល stock ចំណុះបោក BB ដល់60 ក្រាមទាំងអស់គ្នា cushion ហ្នឹងខ្ញុំប្រើបានដល់មួយខែកន្លះចុះមក60 ក្រាមអើយ4ខែ sell money ចាហាហើយបើសម្រាប់ប៉ុងនេះវិញទាំងអស់គ្នាឡើងប្រាហើយខ្ញុំគិតថាស៊ីសាច់ម្សៅបាត់ណូកន្លែងខ្ញុំស្លោឈាមពីគេខ្ញុំគិតថាប្រើទៅគឺខុសចាងមុខប៉ុន្តែអត់អីបងប្អូនគ្នា correct skin tone បានល្អ
អញ feedback មកតែម្លឹងងាប់បងឲ្យបើយ៉ាត់មួយប្រើ BB ចោល cushion Felix ខ្ញុំ highly recommend បងប្អូនគួរតែមានទាំង UV ទាំង BB ទាំង cushion ងាយស្រួលប្រើងាយស្រួលដាក់តាមខ្លួនវាស្ដើងជាង BB យើងអាច retouch ឬ apply វាបានគ្រប់ពេលវាអត់បដាលឲ្យកកឬក្រាស់ទេសូមតែសារទឹកចិត្តអូនអ្នកហូស៊ីតែអូនចិត្តល្អផលិតផលល្អគាត់បានថតបានចែករំលែកតែខ្ញុំមិនបានជួលគាត់100សោះតែម្ដងចឹងមកសូមប្រកាសរអូនតែម្ដងបើមានធ្វើវីដេអូជូន credit ដល់អូនហើយសូមជូនអាំងប៉ាវហេងដល់អូនទៀតអាំងប៉ាវនេះសូមជូនអូនមកហេងអូនអាចមកបើកបានចំនួន$68 BB cream Felix នេះយកទៅដល់គេស្រែកវ៉ាវគ្រប់គ្នាដោយសារវា correct skin tone ទៅតាមស្បែកហើយយើងហោះចោលមុខឯណាសុទ្ធវិញម៉ត់ខៃម៉ែអាម៉ត់មក UV យើងពីក្រោមបន្ទាប់មកដាក់ cushion ឬក៏ BB ស្រេចចិត្តណា UV វិញទុនថ្លាឡងមុខអស់និយាយមកសូម្បីតែ sensitive skin ក៏ប្រើបានដែរសូមបញ្ជាក់មួយសារទៀតមិនថាអ្នកប្រើ UV BB ក៏ប្រើផលិតផល Felix ណាទេឲ្យតែប្រកែ comment ទម្លាក់ feedback ចំនួនកំប៉ុងចំនួនសម្បកដែលបានប្រើប្រាស់ម្នាក់ចេះថតចេះធ្វើវីដេអូ review ស្អាតទៀតណាធ្វើឲ្យតែបានច្បាស់ដូចបងចេះបើមានអូនធៀមតែយកអាំងប៉ាវពីបងចុះបើពី$30ដល់$500តាម view ដែលអូនបានអញ្ចឹងណាក៏មានអ្នក comment សួរច្រើនខ្លាំងអើយឈុតមុខលេយកបងឯងការមកដល់ដោយសារតែពួកគាត់ឃើញមុខខ្ញុំលើអត់ make up ក៏មុខខ្ញុំមលងជាងមុនច្រើនមុខខ្ញុំស៊ីនណាទំក្រកពីគេមុខស្អាតអត់តន់លាបអីទាំងអស់ហើយទៅមានសេរ៉ូម Botox ហើយវីតាមីនមុខយើងនេះយូរទៅមុខអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាគីឡូទៅអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបានចាក់មុខមួយវីតាមីនថ្លៃចឹងសុំសួរមួយណាអ្នកណាគេខ្លះកំពុងរងចាំប្រើលេមុខហើយសេរ៉ូម Botox នេះទាំងគូរបស់វាគឺសិតតែជាប្រភេទ peptide ingredient មួយដែលវាថ្លៃ work ខ្លាំងទៅលើស្បែកចូលចិញ្ចឹមព្យាបាលឲ្យស្បែកយើងនឹងដាស់រស់ឡើងវិញមកណាមានមុនចំ30នឹងមកហក់មកបកាយណាអ្នកណាគេកំពុងរងចាំតម្លាក់ comment ឲ្យបងមើលមុខម្នាក់មួយមកឲ្យ share វីដេអូនេះមួយដោយដាក់ពាក្យថាប្រើឈុតលេមុខ Felix ខ្លាំងណាស់បងទុកឲ្យម្នាក់មួយឈុតណាបងមួយទៅថាឲ្យអត់ចេះនិយាយលេងបងបង្កើតមករាប់ឆ្នាំហើយបងបកអត់ឲ្យទេមានរឿងអ្នកមកតាមដានរាប់លាននៅថ្ងៃនេះតែពៅមាសទាំងអស់គ្នាត្រូវដឹងលក្ខខណ្ឌឈ្មោះអ្នកដែលបងឲ្យគឺបងស្រង់ចេញពី system យ៉ាងត្រឹមត្រូវសុក្រិតជាមួយនឹងបន្ទុកដែលគាត់មានមិនមែនបានតែម្ដងលេងឲ្យណាអ្នកខ្លះបាន3 4 5 6ដងហើយខ្លះបានរាប់រយ$មកហើយដោយសារតែគាត់មើលវីដេអូដល់ចប់ចឹងបន្ទុកគាត់ច្រើនហើយគាត់តាមចុច like comment share គ្រប់វីដេអូចឹងពៅមាសចាំតែយករង្វាន់យកកាដូទៅណា